My name is Heidi Murray, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Leadership Women. We run 5 different women's leadership programs focused on the state of Texas, the nation, and even an international program. And we're visiting Corpus Christi here today to talk about the intersection of the economy and the environment. Our Leadership Texas program takes a group of about 90 women leaders from all over the state of Texas to visit 4 different cities in 1 year. We visit each of those cities to talk about the issues that are happening in those cities and how it affects the state and then how it affects the nation. Every year we pick 2 major markets in Texas and also a coastal or border community as well as a rural community. We feel it's very important for women leaders in all areas of leadership in their organizations, in their communities, to really understand the issues in Texas and get outside of their box so they can be compelled through what they learn to get more involved in their communities and expand their leadership.
So my name is Tashara Parker. I am a member of Leadership Texas 2020 class. You guys know what happened with the pandemic, so we were shut down for a little bit. But you know, I am a journalist in Dallas, and one of the things that I wanted to be a part of was an organization of women, like-minded women, you know, that I can learn from. And I think Leadership Texas provides that opportunity, right? It provides you an opportunity to learn about different areas, different cities, places that I would probably not ever visit, right? Corpus Christi, now, y'all are high on my list of places to visit, but it was interesting to come here and learn about the oyster industry. I had no recollection, no prior knowledge of this, so yeah, it's been an interesting journey, and I'm excited to be here.